Okay, CES 2026. Today I'm taking a look at Akita, Zebra, and Rabbit. And what is your name?
Wendy, I'm Wendy.
Wendy? Okay, and Wendy, what do we got going on here?
So we're going to introduce our product. It's Bubble Buzz Shower. We can turn water into a bubble with your shampoo. Any brand of shampoo, shower gel, it's okay. And this is like designed for human, pets, anything you want. And it's everywhere, at home, at a hotel, yeah, everywhere. And now we can show you the function. This is regular water.
Yeah.
And when you flip this, like shampoo, and it will turn your water into bubble in seconds.
That's really cool.
When I flip back, it will turn back to regular water to wash your hands.
Hey, so you said this can work with any brand of shampoo, which is actually probably the most interesting thing to me because most of the things are going to be putting in, you have to buy our specific proprietary brand, but this you can use with literally anything.
Yes, any brands, anything you want to add.
Yeah, that's amazing. Okay, so shampoo, conditioner, would you be able to theoretically do multiple different types of soaps?
Yes, like a 3-in-1, 2-in-1, anything you want.
Okay,
yeah.
Awesome. All right, I like that a lot. And you've got a couple of different models here on the wall. What is that? What are the differences between these different models? Can you tell me?
Yeah, so for that one, it's just like different by colors. Yellow one, you can see it's for pets.
Okay.
And that one, the bigger one, is like when you have the new house, when you're decorating your house.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's come with the new house.
Yeah, that's nice.
But you can install this by yourself, like just in 3 minutes.
I don't have any pets, so I don't really understand. What is the benefit of a pet version? What do you get with that?
I think it's best for pets because like it will be very hard to wash the pets because you have to like control the pets. It will just make your shower gel like become the bubbles like directly.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. All right. Thank you very much. You have a great day.
You too.